Hey guys, Cameron at 816 Diesel, bringing you a cold start video today. We've got a 2007 Toyota 4Runner Limited, four-wheel drive V8 4Runner, 4-chin body style, loaded to the gills, leather, sunroof, Bluetooth, all the goodies. Tinted, we've got it leveled up on some nice 33-inch all-terrain tires. But let's hop into this cold start video. All right, as far as miles go, I'll grab the keys here. 205,889 on the miles. Truck fires up and runs great. No mechanical issues, no check engine lights. It does have a TPMS. We brought brand new wheels and tires and sensors for it, but we haven't got them programmed into the vehicle yet. Like I said, it's got Bluetooth, so you can connect your phone, listen to your Pandora wirelessly, take your phone calls, but it operates on the factory integrated radio, which is the upgraded JBL system. So stock radio, CD player, all that good stuff, but it does have Bluetooth. Ice cold AC. It's got the black marble trim on the dash there, which is really pretty. Wood black, that's grain, not marble, wood grain. It does have the rear window that goes down, which is pretty cool. Works perfectly. And it does have the, oh, I tilted instead of slid. Sliding and tilting operating sunroof. Works great. Windows are tinted. Really nice truck. I believe it's a one owner. I'll have to check when I get back. I'm not positive. But we bought it as a trade-in. Same miles, same condition. We just put a leveling kit on it, some new wheels and tires, charge the AC, pretty much it. Four-wheel drive, you got the button right there, or the knob, should I say the knob. Seat heaters in the middle here. It's got the descend button, storage there, extra lighter, cup holders up front, drop down cubby, locking glove box. Really nice, all in all. Super cool 4Runner, drives great. We serviced it. Doesn't need anything. Got a Missouri inspection, alignment, wheels, tires, new. Yeah, pretty much it. But let's check out the body, walk around. It's pretty clean, but I'm going to show you under the hood here and what's going on with the suspension. It is the limited package in case you're checking it out. So it's the one that comes with all the options. 4.7 liter V8. The rest is stock. Someone has cleaned this thing nicely under the hood. Not a lot to show though. It's not leaking. It's not doing anything funny. Not missing. Just stock the way it should be. All in all, pretty good shape. I'm trying to find any damage. I'm not seeing any rock chips or anything really. A couple little minor scuffs, but nothing even really worth showing. I mean, it does have 200K and it is 13 years old, so it isn't perfect, but it is in really good shape. There is not a whole lot of damage to show you. I got a little bit right here we'll get to. The wheels are Mayhem. I can't remember the name of it. They're really cool. It has a simulated bead lock on it with rivets. We're running those Ant tires you see on all our trucks. 275 60/20s. Brand new. They have a 60,000 mile tread warranty on them. There is no damage. This thing is super clean. So right here, I don't even know what happened, but you see some minor little chips, and as we back off it, it kind of just disappears, but little rock chips of some sort. Someone smacked it with something. I really couldn't tell you. Windows are all tinted to 20%. It came with the spoiler. Little tiny scratch right there. Nothing even really worth showing. Has the factory tow package on it. I love this rear window. It comes down and has the, I think it's the Husky. Yeah, it's got Husky floor mats all through it. The upgraded rubber winter mats. And then it has the little tonneau thing that slides out to cover up whatever you're putting in the back. And then as far as the hatch goes, Just kind of walking you around and showing you everything here. It does have all the original VIN stamps on it too. Rear AC for your back passengers. All in all, pretty good shape. Nice little clean 4Runner for sure. And like I said, don't hold me to it. I'll have to double check. I'll put it on the website for sure. But I believe it is a one owner truck. Dealer maintained. And it really shows in the condition throughout. It's got the luggage rack on top. But yeah, you've seen it all. The good, the bad, the ugly. Head on over to 816diesel.com for VIN number, pictures, more details. If you'd like to get a hold of me to set up a test drive or to come check it out, 816diesel.com has all the information. Again, my name's Cameron. You can call or text me, 913-735-3748. Let me know if you have any questions or need any information, but I appreciate your time today, guys. Have a great rest of your week out there and stay safe.